Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, creative, innovative, popular and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Flask with machine learning, Python. In my previous video, we have seen recognition of face from an image. Now we are going to see recognition of face from a video. So let us go through the program first. Just I told you that this her cascade front-end dataset file is needed for recognition of face from a camera. So webcam is started and the face is recognized using due to this file. Then camera, since we are going to capture the live image, and I will show you the file app.py. So these are the libraries need to install. Camera is there, then video string home page, index.html, that, and frame by frame the image will be captured by the camera and respond, and debugger is on, threaded is equal to true. Now I will execute the program and my image, my live camera will be shown. Yes. Yes, my face is detected. So in my previous video we have seen detection of face from an image. In this video we have seen detection of face from live image. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with less video on machine learning. I will be back with more creative videos on React.js, Node.js, merge stack, full stack, Flask with Django. Up till now we have seen videos on Flask. If possible, we will see videos on Django and some creative videos on web program, web development. So thanks for watching.